Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Fio's first ever budget headphone. It's only $70. So let me unbox the package first and then we'll talk about it. This headphone is made for both music and gaming as well. Earlier, Fio has launched two headphones which were flagship high-end models. So this is the third latest headphone from Fio which is available in budget price. If I talk about the box is pretty normal size, just a simple headphone size box. I have a lot more to say, but let's unbox it first. So friends, welcome to my first impressions. So this is it. This is your packaging of Fiio JT1. First, I would like to tell you that it's a very beautiful headphone. If we look at the price of it, and the build quality is excellent. I thought that it will be like too cheap, but the build quality is excellent, really excellent. But the packaging is very simple, like it's very minimalistic, and that's likable because we need a better product, not packaging. So the product is a very high quality as per its price. So I really like it, and the packaging is simple, and I didn't knew that it has a pouch in it as well. So that's very likable thing. It is a very beautiful pouch, black color. So this is very good for headphones. And here are your cables which I shall use, and then I will give you my review of it. My first impressions are actually very good. It looks like a proper headphone and it is looking very good for now. And only thing left is to test it, and then we will see that how good is it. My first impressions are actually very good, and doesn't look like that it is a budget headphone. It looks like a proper good headphone, and everything is fine. The design is minimalistic, but the quality looks good. You can check it. The quality looks very good. So these are just my first impressions. I will come back with a review section. So it's review time, guys. I will try to complete my review section as fast as I can. Let's start with its fit and comfort. These are good in fit but not impressive, so I will give it 4 out of 5 stars. But when it comes to comfort level, it is super comfortable. It's very impressive. It fully covers your ears and you don't feel the slightest bit of pain as per my experience. And now maybe because it's winter season, so wearing headphones makes you feel more warm, relaxed and comfortable, so you enjoy it more. So for comfort, I would give it 5 stars. Oh, I forgot to mention this, that these earpads are so soft that I can't describe. You can see it yourself in the video. So I really like these earpads, and they are replaceable also, means you can take them off and put it back, and you can also adjust them according to the way you find them most comfortable. You can rotate them round and round accordingly. So overall, it's a good thing done by Fiio. Now let's talk about its sound quality. I am very satisfied with its sound, and as you know, it is made for both music lovers and gamers as well. So this simply means it's perfect for all genres. Everyone will like it. The vocals here are not completely natural but close to natural. You will have a simple common sound if you are watching movies, podcasts, news, etc. And a little bit of deep sub bass will also be present in the background, because after all it's a headphone, and that too for music lovers as well. So overall it will provide a very neutral and balanced sound quality in terms of vocals performance. You can simply take it for common use as per you normally do. Use your earphones and it will give you a very good sound experience. And of course, apart from all these, it's very good for gaming as well. What do you need in gaming? You need clear vocals, clean and transparent sound, which is what these headphones will provide. And for this reason, to make your gaming experience better, a mic has also been provided. So let's test the mic quality of these headphones.
So guys, what you are listening to right now is the sound recorded by the microphone of these headphones Fiio JT1, and the mic is hanging by its wire as it is. I didn't hold it in my hands to put it in front of my mouth. This is done so that when you are gaming you don't have to worry about the mic at all. Just say whatever you want and it will be recorded or streamed. I personally think it is a fine quality in terms of gaming. It produces very clear and clean vocals but not fully transparent. Let me know how you like its sound quality. And now I have put the mic right in front of my mouth, and of course the sound will be more amazing. You can use it like this for calls, etc.
So for my quality overall, I think it's fine. I wouldn't call it impressive, but it's good. Now if I share with you my music experience with these headphones, surprisingly they are amazing. I am surprised because I have gaming headphones, and if I listen music in them, it's absolutely bad. It's a trashy experience. Similarly, I have music headphones where I can't watch YouTube videos or movies, news, etc. because their bass is so powerful that it makes every vocal bassy. So that's why I am impressed that how well the Fiio has managed its tuning. It's absolutely great. It's very well done. It's a very balanced performance. It has a fully detailed bass, but if I compare it to my other music headphones, then it doesn't sound so detailed to me, but actually it is if I don't compare it. The bass here is a very deep, detailed, soft and very smooth. It's perfectly balanced. When you listen to music in it, you don't want to take off your headphones. It makes you want to keep listening. It is such a great music experience, and treble is perfectly balanced, and that's why you get such a good overall experience and is good for gaming. So my final take is that I rate it 10 out of 10 with 5 stars. I really like the JT1 headphones. It justifies its price 100% with its performance, and I think $70 is a perfect price. It shouldn't be more, and I can easily recommend you this because I know you won't regret it at all after taking it. This is such kind of product. It's a product for all genres. Its cable quality is also very strong and good, and I really like the pouch as well. I forgot to mention these things. And that's it. My review has been completed. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for all the notifications, because I have a lot of great videos coming up that you won't want to miss. Thank you. Stay happy, stay in peace. Goodbye.